gonna be long.
Kawaii cough.
Hello everyone, welcome to another Minecraft. Okay, we're playing
Kawaii cough.
with
Kawaii cough.
Okay. You don't have to spam the title. We'll talk about it more later. Okay, I don't know. Right before recording, we were just laughing at this kawaii cough.
Yeah,
so
my kawaii cough.
saying that his cough was like kawaii.
Because I'm drinking soda.
He said kawaii cough, and I went. So that's a kawaii cough. It's very kawaii. What the heck is that? Is that your other kawaii cough?
I was dying. It's so
the best
sweaty
part
in
is
my
it causes
room,
real
dude.
cough.
It is actually so sweaty.
Alright, so I'm with the boys. Longer to Sawzy, check them out. Longer makes some really good like music videos.
I make
And then
music.
Sawzy's here with like
Minecraft.
content that destroys your brain cells, you know what I'm saying? Brain cell destroying content, check them out. Or
Yeah, I have better content than
Yeah. Both of them have better content than me, so don't subscribe to me, subscribe to them. And if you subscribe to them, you're automatically
subscribe
to me.
I subscribe
Also,
to him
Yellow Zinc.
because he played Fortnite.
I played Fortnite once, my guy, and it was literally 2 years ago, back when the game was good. Anyway,
Because he played Fortnite.
let's not talk
How
about
is that
my
an insult?
Shameful past.
How is that an insult? Everyone's done it. Some of us
Wait.
more than others.
I only played Fortnite like literally like 2 times. Well, I literally started
played
playing
Fortnite all
like
the time.
Screen recording was a thing, which was a long time ago for all you kids that were not like 1980s kids, you know.
Oh my god. Now we're gonna
actually
pretend
all
like we're
secretly
old.
24.
Oh, okay. You want me to flank him or just get M's?
What does flank mean? I'm very big brain.
Tap that from the back.
Kawaii.
Like he's a kawaii.
Oh my god.
Bad.
Kawaii, steal kill. Kawaii also lag.
Oh my. He has my 3 emeralds.
Oh my god.
Get him.
Stop screwing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, stop
and
screwing me.
I'm lagging a lot. My ping is 37, but I'm still
Really?
lagging.
You have better ping than me.
Yeah, of course I do.
I'm
I can
not
beat you no matter what. Yeah, I can beat you in ping, I can beat you in skill, I can beat you in so many different
Except you can never, ever
beat you in some
ever
like
beat
really
music.
random arcade games.
Music. What about music? I'm beating you in
Bro,
music
there's people
easily.
ink! They're ink, my mans, my peoples, my
Did I ask?
boys.
There's no one ink.
Yeah. He's
Oh
just
yeah.
playing
Also, we're
on
teaming.
Fortnite.
We're cross teaming with blue. Yeah. Team. Destroy your bed.
Oh, bad.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm not.
Did you try and kick us?
Huh?
Did he try
What did you say? Who, me? I was sending a message to one of my friends.
Let me send a message. Why does it say I sent this many friend requests?
Because you're
I
like
swear
a simp.
I haven't
everyone.
sent this many friend requests. This is
Cap, bro, you want everyone to be your friend because you're trash at making friends. Ah!
I have a lot of friends on.
Trashed on, you trashed on L. Oh my god, I just realized somebody's ink. 2KF, 3F, 2.
The only reason I have a bunch of 5-pixel friends is because
My FL, I'll check it right here. Over there. Leo
no one's on
TCL is a
ever.
soon.
I have a page of 17 friends.
I have only 2 pages, but they're all YouTubers, close friends, or admins or like some kind of staff. Also, Nui Wig. What is Nui Wig? Oh wait, that's one of your friends, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And he's
we used to play
also
with Nui_Wig.
also ink. I have 4 emeralds on me. You have to take him. He's right there.
Take him? Don't you mean destroy him because he's super trash?
Yeah,
Don't get close to him.
I thought I might have killed him. Fall damage.
Run back, Sauce.
Minecraft on my mind.
What are you doing?
I took so much KB there.
What do you mean, my guy? Oh, okay, he just fell off. And I
Oh,
think he
dude.
killed him. Did you just say easy? He fell off on his own when trying to escape from the master. Ah!
We should really.
Oh,
we should.
He was lagging. Either that or he hack, big hack. I'm going to their generator, yellow gen. Potential, by the way. Ink. people, like actual like Minecraft.
Fat.
Human beings.
Ugly. Blue.
Roblox. Also, I'm gonna be recording some Roblox videos later, so stay tuned for that.
I will help you.
What do you mean help me? My channel was originally a Roblox channel.
Not really.
Even though my name was Joe the Minecraft Pro, I made Joe the Minecraft Pro. I made the name Joe the Minecraft Pro before I even knew what Minecraft was. I just heard my friend here say it and it sounded cool. Also, the guy that disconnected dropped 8 diamonds, so now we have 10 diamonds. What do I do?
Sharp.
How much is sharp?
Diamonds. 8. That's 8. And
Then what do I do?
Please kill me.
What do I do? Okay, so sharp. What do I do with the other? Oh my god!
Hey guys, if you didn't know, I'm originally a Roblox YouTuber. Oh, I'm just loading up Roblox. Ow. The lag hurts, man.
I killed 2 of them.
So lagging.
Okay, where is he?
I don't know.
You want me to buy a player shard? No.
I farted really hard.
What the hell?
No, that is a real who asked.
Axe.
I'm just.
Okay.
I asked nobody asked. You just landed first.
That's why I tell you.
I'm buying. Sharp.
Oh my god!
I'm buying sharp.
Oh my god! I just ripped a really.
I have
fat
13
one.
diamonds. Oh my gosh.
I'm such an immature little.
I killed the blue kid.
Dang it! Oh, that's
Girlfriend.
okay.
Saucy, you have a girlfriend? Do we do duels?
During this whole
Kawaii
game.
And
Fine.
I really need it. Oh, never mind.
One game. We're just doing one game of this.
And then
This is the rare name spot. If you want to find a rare name, just go into a game of TNT. There's so many rare names.
Listen.
Is that a fork?
No, it's not.
Oh, that's me right now.
Is that your mouse? Is that
Yes,
your mouse rubbing on your mouse pad?
No, that's my phone.
What? How is your phone sound
It's
like
his
that?
phone
Listen.
on his-
Ow! Hold on, let me try something. This is how my phone sounds, bro. What kind of IRL mod do you have?
No, help me. I'm really bad at this game, if you didn't know already. That I'm really bad.
Stick There's 2 dream skins with different color variants. You want me to fight them both?
I don't know.
There's 3 dream skins. I'm hitting them all. Bro, you think you can?
Why are you hitting
You
me?
think you're anything? You think you're worth anything?
You hit
I
me.
mean, God. I mean,
Why are you
dude. I mean,
randoming?
Watch out.
Oh my god.
The sheer lag. Oh my gosh.
No, this is genius, dude. This is so genius. Why do you have my skin? The trash version of my skin.
Oh shoot.
Gosh. 3, 2, 1. Destroyed. I killed him at least. Wait. Coin Ranger. Yeah, I killed Coin Ranger. I'm leaving. So yeah.
Hey, anyone in comments?
Oh god, no, I'm getting armored.
Just
DM me
on
something, whatever you find me on, I guess Twitter.
If you want,
He really wants me out.
because
I have like
Dude, you ignored 7 people just to get me, and you just failed completely because of how bad you are. Like,
RJ's here, by the way. Okay, we're gonna have to end this one.
Why?
If you did enjoy, please make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my god, I don't have any more time to record, dude. This is already a really long recording, and I don't edit my recording, so it's gonna be sheer recording. So,
I'll do the same thing.
if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I will be putting these guys' channels in the description, so please subscribe to them. Also, there's 2 other people that I'm already putting in the description. We're gonna be doing videos later with them.
Yeah,
ZBB Gaming and Dr.
Oh my
RJ
god,
Gaming.
give me it.
So yeah, subscribe to all their channels. Only
I
if you
found the
like
dream
content.
skins. I found the dream skins.
And make sure to like it. Helps the YouTube algorithm and stuff. So yeah.
The dream
I
skins
will
are
see
so
you all
bad.
in the next video.
Bye. Oh, okay,
I'm
you
so
stopped?
blind.
Black nigger, nigger, black nigger, black nigger, 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 black nigger.
Oh, I know how you
I feel so much better now.
Bye.
The dream skins are complete crap. I just took the red one. I haven't found the blue one. Any dream variant skins are complete crap.
You troll. I'm not gonna.
It sounds like you're trying to say bitch and then it just centers out.
Yeah, I do that.
You chul.
Oh my god. Okay, bye. This is the end of the recording.